Hello, this is your first tutorial on how to get Minecraft up and running and just to post something to the chat. So the first step is you find your Spigot server folder, which is going to be in your new documents, and I should have got it all set up for you. If not, I need to set it up because you have to type some administrative passwords. Hold on. Alright, so here's your Spigot server folder, which you've got all set up. And by the way, these are your world folders, which have all the settings for your world. So if you ever want to start a new world, what you have to do is select these, delete them, and then run the start again, and it will recreate those folders. If you want to back up your world, what you do is would save these 3 folders in another location, then start it again. So you can have multiple worlds. If you don't like one, you can always restart. Anyways, I'm going to start my Spigot server, and it's going to tell me here that since I don't have the newest brand new version, that it's not going to start until 15 seconds later. So at this point I no longer need this, so I'm going to close this out. While that's starting over there, I'm going to come over, I'm going to launch Minecraft. Now I should have set up for you these launch options. We have to use server 1.121 because now that my server started over here, it is running version 1.12.1, which isn't the latest greatest, but hey, it's close. So you go back to news so that you can launch. Make sure that you have this one selected, and we're going to play. So we'll launch Minecraft, and we're going to go to multiplayer. Now I'm just going to delete this and show you how I got that up. I'm going to add a server. I can call it a Minecraft server, and what we'll type here is local host. I wonder if you can hear that music. Local host. So that'll tell it I'm going to use any server that's running locally on my machine here. We'll hit done and play. Okay. Well, whoa, there we are. We're up and running. We can move around. We can grab flowers and whack on them and do that kind of stuff, pick up stuff. Okay, I'm going to hit escape to get out of here. It's a good thing it's daytime, because you know what happens at night. And you can see here Fortuna High has connected, and there's an ID of 283. Now that tells, later on, that'll tell you what user, so you can get that user ID and do wacky things to them. Okay, so here I'm playing. You know, I'm in good health. I can go over and start whacking on cows. What I would suggest now is to just mine some dirt. You know? Alright, pick up dirt, pick up some stuff. And here's my inventory. Ooh, yay. Move that out of there. Well, anyways, escape. Now, to be able to interact with this, I'm going to launch. That was a sheep. Ooh, that's food right there. Nummy nummy. I'm going to launch this Python 3.7, and I'm going to make a new file. For now, I'm just going to save this on my desktop because I've already done this. I'm going to delete it later. But I want you to create a Minecraft folder in your home folder and deal with that. You know, I'm going to deal with this. Okay. Whew, that's better, and I can hear myself think. Okay. So you've made a folder called Minecraft, and this is going to be Project 1. So I'm going to save this, well, temporarily on my desktop, and this is going to be 1 post to chat Aaron. Put your name on things. Okay. First, what we need to do is be able to import the programming or modules made by this guy out there that wrote a book. It's going to allow us to talk to the server, which talks to Minecraft. So here's how you do it. You're just going to have to follow along here, and when you save this file, you'll have this as a template to start off with later. So from MCPI. That stands for Minecraft Pi, because the Pi was the Raspberry Pi was the very first thing that came up with this, and he basically made it available for the PCs and the Mac or Python. I'm going to import. I'm going to import Minecraft. So I'm just going to run this. Okay, no errors, nothing red. Good, it's working. Now I need to make a connection and create a connection with the server. Now how we can figure out to do a lot of these things, and it's all on the internet. So here is this guy's website. What I searched was Minecraft API application program interface. So Minecraft API Python. And he's got this thing called Stuff About Code. There he is. And there's his book. It's a pretty cool book, actually. You should get it. So he comes down here. It talks about all the structure. This is the main thing. Everything's underneath. And Minecraft has this class of Minecraft which allows you to run all these things. We're going to start off with this part of the code that he made. Later we'll come in, we'll start doing these things too. So it's all in here. So for example, I want to make a connection. So I'm just going to copy this. Come back to my, I like to minimize this. Oh, oops, I made a mistake. Copy, minimize, paste, Control V. Alright, now let's run that and save it. No errors. Cool. Now our next goal, let's close my shell here. Let's come back down to the internet. Get blocks. I can get blocks at those positions. I can set blocks. I can put blocks in the game. I can set large chunks of blocks for making houses. I can get the height of something. Ooh, I can get the ID of a player so I can mess with them. And if I know their name, I can get that, their login name. Save. Oh, here we go. postToChat. So you post a message to the game. It is available for us because it's got this little bucket server thing here. And we're going to go postToChat, hello world. Control C. Space down a couple because this is all the import stuff. V. Control S. And then F5. We're going to run it. And hello Minecraft world. We're back at the game and we are probably going to hit zombie land pretty soon here. So I should have made a house. I'm going to probably pay dearly for not doing so. So what I would do is, ooh, collect wood. I would come in, make a house, and then we're just going to postToChat as our first one. And yes, you can do many other things. Run module, hello Minecraft world. Alright, great. Have fun.